Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be doing this old school slash fancy natural updo for you guys today. This style was inspired by my great grandmother, so if you would like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to leave a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, check out my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so my hair is like going crazy right now, but I was like, I really want to try a different hairstyle. In case you haven't noticed, I've been like really trying to step out of the box and try different styles with my hair, because I'm the type of person that I like to switch my hair up a lot, and I also love to be creative and come up with different ways to wear my hair. And side note, for those of you who want to go blonde hair is very unforgiving. I feel like that's something people don't discuss enough. Like, once your roots start to grow out, it's so much easier to see any mistake. So like, if you part your hair and it's crooked, the contrast between your original color and the blonde is just gonna be like, this looks bad. So that's why I'm trying to hurry up and crank a bunch of hairstyles before my hair starts really growing out, and it's already starting. So today's hairstyle was inspired by my great grandmother. I was named after her. Her name is Pinkie, and yes, my real name is Pinkie. I don't know why I always have to double say that with everybody. This is like one of the only pictures that I've seen of her, and I always thought it was just so beautiful and regal. She's holding my grandmother and I just always thought she looked so beautiful in that picture, and people always tell me that I look like her. I'm basically just gonna wing it though. I'm just gonna use some hairpins, not bobby pins. I feel like bobby pins are not the right pins to use for this style, but I'm gonna use these free pins because it'll be easier to, like, you know, you'll see as I go along. I want to do like 2 French rolls going up either side of my head, and then going into like sort of a bouffant type thing, but I can show you better than I can tell you. So let me just go ahead and get started. So this is the finished result. So y'all, this hairstyle is like really old school. So I feel like this is like a great style for when you really want to dress up and, you know, wear something really fancy. I'm someone who thrifts and wears a lot of like vintage retro clothing, so this is gonna go perfectly with one of those type outfits. I'm gonna do a side by side next to my grandmother's picture. Let me know if I nailed the look or not. Also, I would love to know your opinion on this hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.